AI is taking over the world. You guys know there are different AI stuff like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or anything else. Well, Roblox has their own AI. That's right. You can have AI do stuff for you in Roblox. You just click AI assistance right here. Bang. That's the AI that you can use. Welcome back. How can I help you today? I was playing around with it and I realized it's kind of stupid, but I realized you don't even have to ask for simple stuff. It can do a lot. Like it can do AI textures. Like, look at that. Or you can also get it to do AI 3D assets and even code for you. And if you know me, I'm a good builder, but I'm a terrible coder. So this AI is perfect for me. Perfect for me to make an actual Roblox game. You know what? Let's try to recreate a Roblox game, but only using AI. Okay, let's try to find a Roblox game for me to recreate only using AI. And what I mean by using AI is, I'm going to use AI for both the build part and the coding part. So basically, I'm not going to be making anything. I'm just going to have the AI do everything for me. So yeah, let's try to find a Roblox game for me to recreate. Let me see. What's the most popular Roblox game that tons of Gen Alpha kids would love to play? Steal a Brainrot. Of course I should be recreating Steal a Brainrot. It literally has millions of people playing it right now. This is exactly the perfect game for Brainrot Gen Alpha kids would play. Okay, this is the game I'm going to recreate, and I'm only going to be using AI. All right, let's start back in Roblox Studio. Okay, I don't really know where to start. Let's just ask the AI to start for me, I guess. Okay, make a game like Steal a Brainrot. Where should I start out though? I don't know where to start out. Make a game like Steal a Brainrot. I don't know where to start. Tell them to do AI. Okay, let's see what it does. You want to create a game like Steal a Brainrot, but you don't know where to start. That's what's not happening. Okay, just give me a load of nothing. You know what? Let's first try and make it so the AI makes a Brainrot character. So if I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't really know what you call the Brainrot characters. Do you just call them Brainrot characters? Like, what do you call these things? I call Brainrot characters, whatever. So let's try to tell the AI to make something like this. Let's see if it works. Slash generate. They told me to do this. Generate a Brainrot similar to the game Steal a Brainrot. Right? Let's capitalize the B. Oh, there we go. So let's generate a Brainrot similar to the game Steal a Brainrot from Roblox. Let's see if it'll do that. Please, please, please. Okay. Okay, it's making it. Okay, let's see it. Oh, brother, what is this? Oh my god, this AI is not good. What is this? This is what it made? This is my Brainrot character? What the hell? This AI is really terrible right now. Oh my god. You know what? Let's get from the toolbox instead. Let's just get a Brainrot character. I know I said I'm gonna do everything from the AI, but I don't care. Let's just get something better. Mr. Brain. What? That looks terrible. Brainrot character. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what? Let's just get like tongue or something. Let's just get like tongue. Give me what I need. That looks good. You know what? Let's just say it like this. Just let's generate a blocky fun character. I think I'll be good. Oh my god, this AI sucks. What is that? I just had to make a fun blocky character and make me this. There's even Z fighting in it. This AI sucks. You know what? Let's just stick to the first one they made. So these are our two characters for now. All right, now let's get to the actual AI coding part and recreate the actual game. Here we go. Let's start out by just making it so like a model. You press E on the model to buy it, and then just have it so the Brainrot will be purchased and then taken to your collect zone. In order for the AI to understand that, I just said create a code where a player would press E to interact with the model, which will purchase it, then have the model move towards a specific part, then disappear. I try to word it so the AI would understand. Let's see if it works. If not, then I'm gonna have to keep going over and over and over for it to work. Blah 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 blue blah blah blue blah blah blue. Yes, make the script for me, AI. Come on. Yes, make the script for me. I have to accept it every time. What did it do for me? So it created a purchase model event, which I don't know what that means. What? Okay, you know what? Round two. Let me do something different. Okay, there's its collect zone. Let's see what it does. So I should press E on this, and then it should go over here. I'm pressing E, nothing's happening. Oh my god. You know what? Let's delete all of the scripts it added, and let's go even simpler. Create a currency in the leaderboard and have the player start with, what is the currency called in Brainrot again? I have to go in the actual game and remember. I know it's something stupid. It's named something really dumb. Is it called like shekels or something? Like Rogue Garden? What is it called? What is it called? I mean, in the game. It's called cash. Oh, I thought it was called something stupid like shekels. Whatever. Create a currency system in the leaderboard. Name the currency. Let's just say money. I don't care. No, let's just something more fun. Another fun name for money. What? Mazuma, cabbage, kush, dough, lettuce, lolly, sugar, bread, scratch. Why are these all like foods? What is a Gen Z slang for money? Okay, let's see what they do. Stacks, bands, red, paper. Okay, you know what? Let's just do bands. Let's go band for band. Anyways, create a currency system in the leaderboard. Name currency bands and have player start with 1,000 currency. Let's do that. It should do. I know we can do this without a doubt. Okay, let it do its work. Accept all the code. Now let's test out the game and hopefully there's a leaderboard system with money. There it is. There you go. Bands. That's my money. Perfect. Good. I'm just gonna get a proximity prompt from the toolbox and put it within the tongue so we're model, my Brainrot model. Okay, there. Add a script to the proximity prompt that's in the workspace, that's in the model tongue, that's in the folder, that's in the base part, and have it move towards the collect zone. Let's see if it'll do that. There, it added a script within the proximity prompt, which is what I wanted. Okay, let's test out the game and see if this will work. Okay, so what should happen is I should hold E to interact with this, and then this should move over there. Let's see if it works. Where'd it go? Oh my god, it's right here. Oh my god. Okay, well, we're getting there. Okay, it's right there. We're getting there. Let's try and make it so it slowly moves towards it. Okay, I did it again, and then I asked it to make it so it would add a script to the proximity prompt. I told it to make it so a player would press E on this to interact with it, and then this will move towards the collect zone and to not teleport, and then disappear. Let's see if it does it. So if the AI did work, it would do all of that. Come on. Hold E, it moves towards it, and it disappears. Oh, it disappeared. There you go. Okay, that was pretty good. It looks weird, but I kind of like it. You know, honestly, the way it moves towards it is kind of not bad, because it's like Brainrot, so it's kind of weird. But it does the job. That's actually hilarious. There you go. We're getting progress. It's actually turning out pretty okay so far. This looks crap. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, now I told it to make it so when it touches the collect zone, it disappears and teleports to one of the the slot things, like one of these where it just stands in them and then you get your money. And I don't know. You guys know how Steal a Brainrot works. Anyways, let's see if it works. Hold E, It goes towards the thing. It disappears. There you go. And it goes on top of there. Oh my god, this is actually so good. This is like Steal a Brainrot. It's facing the wrong way, but whatever. This is so easy. I can't believe making a Roblox game is this easy using just AI. This is actually incredible. Lastly, I made it so a slot is occupied by using an int value. So basically what it means is if this value is at 1 or 0, it determines whether it has a Brainrot on it already. So basically I just made it so 2 Brainrots cannot be placed on the same slot. So like duplicates cannot be on the same one. I made it so it's always just 1 basically is what I'm just saying. Anyways, now let me just quickly go over what I already have. So let me just play the game. So let's get this Brainrot. He goes to my collect zone. He gets teleported to that slot. Let's get one more. Let's get another Brainrot. These are just testing, by the way. I'll get more different kinds of Brainrots. There you go. It goes to a different one, which is good. It doesn't go in the same one. Let's get this other Brainrot. Come on. I'm collecting all my Brainrots. I'm also gonna have to incorporate the currency. But there you go. You can see they're all getting taken up. They each go on their own slot things. I don't know what to call these. I'm just calling them slots. There you go. They're all placed. They're all placed backwards though. There you go. Now they're facing the right way. This is so good. I actually can't believe I'm making this. I never code and I can use AI to get all of this. There you go. Look at that. Because I'm honestly kind of feeling like Steal a Brainrot. I just have to add in there and how much they're worth, their name, and I have to actually add the steal part. That part will be fun. Now, if you look at Steal a Brainrot, on top of each of the Brainrot characters, it says the name, how much money it's worth, and how much money it'll give you every second, and its rarity. So let's just do that. There you go. And I have its name, rarity, pay per second, and what it's worth. If I go test it in game, you'll actually see the numbers and the proper stuff there. Now, to make it so when I purchase it, it actually takes my money because it doesn't actually do that. Let's ask the AI to do that. First, what I'm going to do is make a new folder and name it purchased and make it so anything that's bought is going to go in this folder to keep it organized. So now I'm going to tell the AI to do that. I'm going to tell it to edit the code that I have here and make it so anything bought goes in the folder. So let's now test it out. I buy it, and then I check and explore, and I see now it's in the folder. Great. Now let's just leave that. I asked AI over here to make it so pay the player every second of how much it's worth. So right now it's actually giving me $500 per second, which is what it's doing right now. I'm gonna make it so it only does that when it's within one of the slots here. So let's just do that now. Well, how do you do that? Well, let's use the purchase folder we made earlier. Let's make it so the pay $500 per second script will only work when the Brainrot is in the purchase folder. I hope that's not confusing, but coding is just so confusing. I hope that worked. If not, then that's just annoying. So right now it should not work. Please don't work. Good, it does not work. But when I buy it, then it'll work. Let me buy it. I haven't made it so it'll get rid of my money yet. But yeah, now it's in it. There, now I have the slot. Now it's giving my doubloons. Yes, this is working. This is so good. Okay, now I'm gonna make it so it takes money from me. Okay, there. Now I made it so it actually purchase it properly. So take away my money. I just told the AI to subtract the player's doubloons from the leaderboard by the Brainrot's worth. So if I interacted by this, it should take away my money. It's worth 1,000. I should get 0 now. There you go. It got it. There, I did it. 0. I purchased it. And there you go. Now every second I get 500 doubloons, which it says right here. There you go. That's basically the game. Honestly, yeah, that is basically the game. Now the only thing I have to add is the steal feature and adding more different Brainrot characters. I can't believe making this game is so easy and it's the #1 game on Roblox. How insane is that? Like, I literally cannot even code, and look how far I've gone so far. This is actually insane. I don't want to say using AI is a good thing because AI steals jobs, but I'm just saying I don't know how to code at all, and I got to this point, which is pretty impressive, I would say. Also, yeah, I changed bands to doubloons because doubloons just sound more cooler. Okay, let's add more Brainrot characters. Honestly, good impression. Oh my god, it doesn't look like the actual blocky game. I want the blocky version so bad. I don't want to be making it. I don't want to make it. Oh, you know what? I don't want to make it. So let me just ask the AI to do it. What? Okay. Let me see how chimpanzee banana looks like. He looks like this guy, right? Create a blocky half banana, half chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. No, just chimpanzee. Yeah, chimpanzee. Is it? I'm literally so in Brainrot. I forgot what the actual animal is called. It's not called chimpanzee. It's called a chimpanzee. Whatever. Make it half banana, half chimpanzee. AI, do it for me. Come on. Processing. Did it do it? Where is it? Oh brother, that is terrible. I need to figure out something else, please. Apparently Roblox has a different version where you can do AI generation using Cube3D, and you can do it for now using this game right here. So just go to this game link that I'm going to send in the description and just click on these 3 dots and click on edit in studio. So you just go to the game and just describe what I want. So I'm just gonna write car and just tell it to create. And what? Hello? I think it's loading, but there's no textures. Oh, I forgot. You're supposed to go over here to game settings. I'm gonna save it. Security, and then enable, not that one, this one. Now let's test it out and see if it'll give it to me what I want. So let's get a car, generate. And let it load. Oh, yeah, there you go. This is the texture version. Okay, not bad. It still looks a little clunky. It's not clean, but it gets the job done, I guess. So that's our tutorial on how to do AI made 3D assets. Now let's do my AI made Brainrot characters. Let's go. Half a banana and half chimpanzee. Create. Oh my god. What is this? Is this allowed on Roblox? Like, what is this? What is its tail? Oh, now in order to get it in your actual game, what you have to do is just select it. I'm gonna just delete the drag detector because I don't care for it. Now just right click on it and then just save/export, and then click on export selection and just save it there. And then go over to home over here and then import 3D and then just open what we just exported. Now just click import and that's it. And then there you go. Now it's in your game. But anyways, let's put this in my game. This is my chimpanzee bananini. What do we make its rarity? Let's make its rarity. Let's do a new rarity. Let's do it ethereal. I looked it up and it just sounded cool. Let's make him ethereal. Let's make it the color. Let's make it the color purple. That feels like a purple color. And then we're gonna make his worth $5,000. Make it so he pays $1,000 per second. So if I just play test it in game, the name should be changed. There you go. Chimpanzee Vanini. He's ethereal. And he does $1,000 per second, and he's worth 5,000 doubloons. Wait, what happens if I buy him? Wait, let me see. I bought him, but I go into negative. Ooh, see, that's what we have to change. That's what we have to change now. Where I'm just gonna do a. It just shows up on your screen that says you can't afford this, not enough money. So just get a text label. You're broke, not enough doubloons. How do you spell doubloons? Doubloons. There you go. Let's just make this look better. There you go. You're broke, not enough doubloons. Okay, there you go. Before I make it so this pop-up shows when I buy something, I made it so the AI doesn't purchase it if I don't have enough, but it will purchase this one because I do have enough. Okay, I bought it, and there you go. Now I have enough. So there you go. Now that I have this Brainrot, I just have to wait till I get 5,000 to buy this one. There you go. Now I have 5,000. Now I should be able to buy this one. There you go. It took my money as well. Oh, it fell down. I have to anchor it. I forgot to anchor it. Anyways, okay. There you go. I've done so much so far. Now I'll show you what I've done so far using the AI. Again, everything I'm going to be showing you again, I didn't make at all, or I didn't code at all. I had the AI do it for me. So I'm going to try to purchase this, even though I have $1,000, but this is worth 5,000. If I buy it, it says I'm broke and I don't have enough. So I have that, but I can't buy this one. So I had that feature. There you go. It took my money. It goes towards center, and there it goes on over there, and it's giving me $500 per second. Also, I realized it's been a while since I played Steal a Brainrot. The way to get your money is if you just like there'll be like a thing here and you touch it and you get your money. But I forgot. I just made it so it's automatic. I'm gonna buy it. There you go. He takes my money, goes to collect zone, and there you go. Now he gives me $1,000 per second, and this guy also gives me $500 per second. And there you go. You can see my balloons going up automatically. This is super cool. It honestly really feels like Steal a Brainrot right now. I'm kind of glad about how it's turning out so far. Now, what I'm gonna next add is make them so these two would move in a line like this in the OG game. So let's make it. So let's just get a straight road, just something very basic. So it ends there, then it starts here. Okay, now what I'm gonna tell the AI is just make this guy just move straight. Add a script to the selected model. Make it so the script will just move the model forward in X orientation. I don't know if that's the right way in the X axis. Okay, so add a script to the second model. Make it so the script will just move the model forward in the X axis continuously. There you go. Now let's see if it actually did it. Oh, okay, it's moving the wrong direction. I guess that was the X direction. That's fine. I'll just change it myself. It must be this one because it can't be Y. Y would be upwards. I don't know. See if that did it. Yep, negative amount. I hope that works. It's probably not gonna work. Oh, it did work. There you go. Now it's moving, but it's moving way too quickly. Let's make it so its speed is much slower. Look at that. This feels like the actual Brainrot game. Like, look at this. Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna feel like the actual Brainrot game. Look. So here's my temporary base that I made. Look, there's my Brainrot that I can buy. I only have 1,000 doubloons, and I can buy him. There you go. There, I bought him. Now he goes to the center. There you go. He's still moving. I have to make it so it disables it. Okay, let me quickly test it. See if he's still moving. There you go. There you go. Now he stopped. Yay! Now we're gonna tell the AI to make a code so when this guy touches the end, teleport him back here to start, and that will loop it. So ask the AI to do that. Where is AI? There. AI. When this guy touches a part named end, teleport the entire model, the guy, to the start. All right, let's do that. There you go. All right, there you go. With some trial and error, when he reaches the end, he gets teleported back to the start and loops around. So when he goes to the end, there you go. He's at the start. And he just loops again and again. There you go. That's so cool. Only thing I have to do is add an animation, but I'm not going to be doing that. Okay, so let's buy this guy. He's only $1,000 for the blooms. There you go. I purchased him. And there now I can't buy this guy yet because I don't have enough blooms. And there you go. Now he's in my base. Now I'm going to add in some more. Let's add in some more Brainrot characters that the AI will create for me. Okay, going into Google and looking up Brainrot characters because I cannot remember all of them. Let's find one that I want to do. Let's do a Bummerino Crocodile. What is he again? He's a crocodile and a what? What is that? An airplane? Okay, why are all of these just half animal, half something random? Huh? What is wrong with the person who made these Brainrot characters? Their brain really must have been rotting. Jeez. Let's just do half crocodile, half fighter, jet, airplane, or whatever. Okay, great. Okay. Wait, it's actually not that far off. The colors are off, but it's actually not that far from the original. Like the head is proper. It just looks actually correct. Wow. Okay, not bad. There you go. Just this guy's wide. Just move him a step back. Now we gotta change his names and rarity. There he is, Bambarino Crocodile. Can I buy him? No, I can't. I don't have enough money. You're broke, not enough doubloons. I can only buy this guy starting out. So let's buy him. We wait till we get enough money for this guy. Purchase. There you go. Now I got him. And there he is. Oh my god, this is so fun. Yeah, I made Brainrot. This is so crazy. Now let's get this guy. Yeah, I definitely have to increase the money on these guys. Look, I have 15K already. Yeah, I have to make them more expensive, way more expensive. This is literally like, Mom, can we have Steal a Brainrot? We already have Steal a Brainrot at home. Steal a Brainrot at home. Yeah, make that into a meme. Okay, let's just do, we have to do a couple more. I have to do at least one more Brainrot character. Let's do, honestly, since we already have really cool guys, let's do one that's pretty lame. Let's do a lame. Actually, I want to do this one so bad. This one looks so cool. Trulamiro, I'm not saying that. I don't care. Okay, I want a half cat, half fish. Okay. Oh my god, what is that? That's supposed to be a cat? I mean, it's a cat, but look at its face. What is that? The eyes are messed up. Oh my god. Where's the fish part? Okay, the original looks way better. This is just a cat and they just gave it a fin and a weird looking tail, a fish tail. You know what, this will do. It'll do. It's fine. Anyways, let's just change. Let's get this catfish. I'm also gonna put him on the ground because Fighter Jet can fly because he's like an airplane. So he can fly, but this guy has to sit down. Because of that, I'm gonna make its rarity name something else. Let me think of something original. I'm gonna name him Natural. He's natural. Yep. Okay, let's check him out in game. There you go. Look at that. He's a natural. Literally, he's natural. Let's do one more Brainrot character. I really want to see what the AI does because the AI is really bad, but really funny at the same time, but also sometimes gets it right. But let's see how it does with this last one. Another good impression. I'm gonna do this guy because I actually really like him. And he's a half elephant, half cactus with sandals. Create. Give me what I want, AI. Okay. They actually made an elephant and they just made him green. And they gave him sandals? I don't know what the hell that is not sandals. He's literally on like a wooden board. Oh my god. Okay, before I continue on and adding in the steel, I'm gonna make it so you can sell your stuff. There you go. I thought it just didn't work there. There, I purchased this guy, right? It should say sell. There goes to sell. If I do it, nothing happens because I haven't gotten the AI to do anything yet. But there you go. Now we have the sell button. That's a starter. Okay, after an off-camera mining of doing hours using the AI to code, got it to work, and now I got it to actually sell. So you can see I'm at 4,000 if I sell this in time. And then there, I got 6K or I got 1K. And he goes back in the pool. And I forgot to anchor that elephant. Oh my god. But there you go. Now he's back here. There we go. I can literally do anything with the AI coding. I really got it so my Brainrot characters are always moving in a line. I got it so I can buy them. They go towards the collect zone. They go inside my base. I can sell them now. I have multiple different Brainrot characters. I can actually for real do anything. Now, the last thing I gotta do is add in a steal feature, the best part of the game. I couldn't get it to work. I'll show you what I have so far. So look, I got the steal button to work. I'm gonna steal him. And then boom, He's always following me. Like, but when I bring it to my collect zone, it does not work. Oh my god. Let me reset so this guy can get off of me. Guys, I kid you not, that's the best I could do. And I spent hours, and I mean hours, trying to use the AI code to get it to work, but it won't do it. It won't do it. I'm gonna leave it off there because, again, I spent so long already. But we've done so much work that is pretty similar to the actual game, which I'm pretty proud of. Like, for example, let me buy this guy right here. There you go. He goes to my base, and I got him. And then I just gotta wait till I get more money. I have enough money to get this guy, Tung Tung Sahur, if I can buy him. I'll buy the crocodile. There you go. I'll buy the elephant. And then there you go. There's like my full base, just like the actual game. And also I can sell as well. Like, I don't want this cat anymore because I have better stuff. I sell him. Like, it's like exactly like the original game. Pretty close to it. And keep in mind, I can't code at all. Like, I can't code at all, and I got this far, which is so cool. Anyways, this recreation obviously isn't 100% complete. If you do want me to fully complete the game, and by that I mean actually getting the steal function to work and actually getting the complete map, then we're gonna need enough likes. If there's a lot of likes, then I'll do part 2 and fully complete the entire game, the entire recreation. But anyways,
If you liked this video and you found it entertaining, please consider subscribing. I really want to get 80k subscribers. We're so close. If not, then at least maybe leave a like. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I want to quickly say this before the video fully ends. I don't want to necessarily say or support the use of AI because it's not really ethical. I don't know.
I'm all for using it as a shortcut, but when it's stealing jobs, that's where I draw the line.
But I honestly just wanted to do this video for fun. I truly want to see how good AI can get, and it didn't really do its best. I mean, it couldn't even get the steal function to work, and the AI brain rot characters looked really weird, which was valid though because they're brain rot characters, so it was fine. But at the end of the day, the AI did like the bare minimum. It didn't really do amazing. So yeah, I'm not supporting it though. So bye.